On YouTube, welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In tonight's video, we're going to go over some stock picks as well as some gains in the market, some price movements, and things of that nature. Kicking it off, we have Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. This thing's been really beaten down. I'm currently down in my positions that I have. They are house money stocks, so they are free stocks and risk free, so I don't mind being down. Alibaba is a company I believe in. It's basically the Amazon of China, and as you see today, it's on its way back for a run up 5.78%. This is something I will continue to swing trade. Next, we have NetEase, ticker symbol NTES. It was up 2.72% on the day. Then we have PSEC, ticker PSEC, Prospect Capital Corporation. This is a very nice dividend play. Also something I own as well. It was up a little bit today, up 1.09%. Then we have ticker SPR, Spear Aero Systems Holding. Also another stock of mine, and it was up 1.15% today. Then we have 3 oil stocks to consider for every portfolio. Chevron, ticker CVX, Exxon Mobil, ticker XOM, and Energy Select Sector Spider Fund, ticker XLE. These energy plays are due for a comeback. They're really beaten down with the hype of the whole EV and fossil fuels going extinct. You know, it's not over for these companies. Not all EV companies are successful. Prime examples are Nikola and possibly Hyliion. The Energy Selector Fund is the ETF, so to give you a nice exposure to the market, with also plenty of diversification within the ETF to lower your risk. Chevron and Exxon pay great dividends. I believe these companies will get a little bit more innovative and will make a pushback. So these are 3 positions I'm swing trading. Exxon and the XLE or something I just added back to my watch list. Chevron's already on the watch list. Chevron and Exxon are 2 stocks I already own currently. Then here is Exxon Mobil, XOM, and added to the watch list. Energy Selector Spider ETF, ticker symbol XLE. Then we have the price moves today. Intel was up 5%. Candy Technologies is up 5%. Intel was beaten down due to the news of Apple and Microsoft, you know, going out and making their own chips for their devices. So of course that affected Intel. And Candy Technologies is the EV play. Both positions I'm in currently. We have an iShares S&P Global Consumer Staples, ticker KXI. This would be a good ETF fund. iShares have great funds. I love iShare funds. So S&P Global Consumer Staples, definitely something I'm added to the watch list. Then we have Unilever, ticker UL. This is a play that I'm already in. Added it back to the watch list for another swing trade. Then we have ticker IYR, iShares Dow US Real Estate ETF. Once again, iShares great fund. This is a real estate ETF, so you'll get that nice monthly payment from the dividends, as well as a nice diversification into the real estate sector of the market. You can also own, you know, particular real estate or REITs. You know, prime example, ticker O, Realty Income is probably my favorite. But I love ETFs, so it gives you a wide variety of diversification at a low risk. Then we have Wells Fargo, ticker WFC, something I'm swing trading heavy. I already own it long term. Added it right back to the watch list. I believe Wells Fargo is due for a pushback. With the Feds announcing the share buybacks, that pressure is going to push these stocks up. Then we have ticker GSY. This is an ultra short. This one actually is not a good play. I don't know why I added that on there, so we'll ignore that one. Sorry about that. But we have Bank of America, ticker BAC. Same as Wells Fargo. It's going to make a pushback with the share buybacks. Bank of America is a great bank finance to be in, so definitely added that back to the watch list for another swing trade. Then we have ticker SMB. This is a SPDR portfolio mortgage-backed bond. Like I always say, bonds are great place to put your money for safe keepings, as well as, you know, collecting that good interest on your money with very low volatility. Same as iShares, I love SPDR, the SP funds. They're great funds, and they have some great ETFs. Then we have ticker PAAS, Pan America Silver. This is a play into precious metals. It's always good to have some gold, you know, some platinum, silver, copper, things of that nature to give you exposure to the precious metal markets. So this is just a play into silver. I got a couple of these for you. I got ProShares Ultra Silver. ProShares is a pretty good fund as well. Ticker AGQ, and just another play, you know, added to the watch list to gain exposure to that precious metal sector. Then we have a Global X Silver Miners ETF, ticker SIL. Also another play in the precious metals in the form of an ETF. So this will give you good diversification exposure with you know, low volatility, low risk. Then we have GDX. This is something I own long term, something I've swing traded already, added right back to the watch list. And this is a gold miners ETF. Once again, great diversification, low risk into the gold miner sector. Then we have ticker ANSS. This one was being bought up by Cathie Wood, so I looked into it. Pretty good balance sheets, great fundamentals for this company. You can, you know, take a deeper dive into it if you like. For me, once I already kind of hear about a stock and then I see Cathie Wood purchasing it, it's definitely something I take a look into, and if it's promising, I'm definitely going to jump in as well. Then we have XPEG, ticker XPEV or XPing. This is the EV play, Chinese stock. I'm already swing trading this one, added right back to the stock list. This one's right behind Tesla and NIO, so I'll probably rate it as top 3 EV stocks at the moment. So definitely something I want to build my position in. Then we have RMG, ticker RMG. Staying on swing trading heavy as well, so I added right back to the watch list to build more position in this stock. Then we have Baidu Inc. This is in my Stash app portfolio. This is all house money. Swing traded this a while back. I pulled my principal. My gains on this position was $45. I left that into the stock. As you can see, that $45 has turned into $69. It's up $24.04, up 53.42%. Also a Chinese stock, and it's doing very well. Then we have some dividends paid out in Stash app for December 28th. You got Raw Earth, Newmont Group, FedEx, and these will be, as you see, they're reinvested. Got the drip future, so no matter the size of the dividend, you know, once you start reinvesting and letting that compound interest grow, you always have positive things in the workings. You know what I mean? NIO was up today, up 5%. It ran up really high, kind of came down. It's been kind of stagnant, so it's nice to see NIO, you know, get back on track. Along with Alibaba and some other Chinese stocks, it was kind of taken down with the, you know, all the audits and, you know, the feds and the Chinese government cracking down on these Chinese stocks. So definitely gonna see a run up in NIO. NIO days coming up. They got the new sedan coming out, some new battery technology. So you know, you can expect for some positive things to come out of that. Then we have Lemonade, ticker LMND. This is something I own long term. we'll be swing trading it again. This is the insurance stock. It's been beaten down here lately, so it's nice to see it making up some of that ground today, up 8.33%. Then the XPEV was up today, 9.68%, which is really great for my swing trading positions that I currently have. Then we have Lee Auto, ticker LI. It was up 6.16%. This is another EV play. It hasn't been doing so well. So of course, it's nice to see it ran up today. Then we have some Bitcoin here. Love exposure to cryptocurrencies. I'm a big bull on crypto. I own Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, BSV, Bitcoin Cash, XRP, which is Ripple, Stellar, blockchain, a whole bunch of different cryptos that I'm bullish on. But this here is the Bitcoin in the Robinhood. Average cost around 11 grand. The initial investment here is about $110. Now it's worth $274. It's up 151%. Bitcoin, when I first started getting into it, it's about 3 grand. It ran all the way up to 11,000. The high in 2017 was just around 20 grand. So in my opinion, by the end of 2021, Bitcoin will be at 40 grand. And that's just my thesis on that. If you don't keep up with currency news, you need to watch the money, and you need to pay attention to what's going on. This is a Bitcoin and Cash App. This is a $327 investment, and it's worth over $1,500 now. So I'll 4x my money on Bitcoin here in my Cash App account. I've been buying out of this account since March of 2020. So not even a full year, probably about 10 months or so, 8 months, 9 months, and I'll 4x my money so far. Then we have Toro. Bought Bitcoin here back in September when it was around 11 grand, almost 12 grand. Put in $47. It's up 136%. Gained $64, so that's now worth $111. Same thing, just a closer screenshot. Then lastly here, we got some dividends paid out today on the 29th on Robinhood. You got Nike, ARR, BSV, BND, and these are also all dripped. Small payouts, but they will help compound over time. That'll be it for the videos today, guys. I'm going to go ahead and purchase about, I think, 15 or so stocks, and I'll drop that video as soon as I get done. Hit the like button if you like the video, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. I appreciate you guys tuning in.